We made it simple. You can make it yours. We'll brand simplify with your logo and color scheme. You can make it look like an integral part of your website. You can provide your own domain name if desired. And illustration report formats are entirely customizable. Design a Word document. We'll turn it into an illustration or customize one of our templates. But that's not all. Do you have supplemental sales illustration ideas to add? We can build them, or we can create attention-getting branded videos just like this one. Use video to help users run illustrations, or create video to promote your company, explain your products, or provide sales training. Create companion videos that are emailed to customers along with your illustration, visually explaining the plan being illustrated. Need more customization? Talk to us and let's see what we can build together.